December 8th. The weather is awesome today. Very nice. Not, as you can see. Temperature is not that bad actually. It's not warm, but it's not that cold either, but it's kind of windy and it's a little bit raining. I don't know if you can see in the pool, but hey cat. Yep, she's here. So today I just had my morning coffee. Gonna have breakfast soon, and then we're gonna make a trip to the city center again to see if I can find an olive press, and I'm gonna bring you guys with me, and hopefully Brian as well. So see you in a bit. Right, so that was a quick trip to the village and back right after, because everything was closed. So no oil press. I'll have to order it online, I think on Amazon. Which means that our olive oil will be delayed. I hope it stays good enough to press later on in the refrigerator. I'm not sure. So in this morning our battery was down to 33%. So, and since there's not too much sun today, we turned on the generator. So that's our power for this day. This evening, maybe also tomorrow, I don't know. We've been screening it, and so far in about 1 hour it recharges about 15% of our total capacity. So we'll leave it up and running for like 2 or 3 hours, and then we're good for the night, I guess. And to be honest, I didn't check tomorrow's weather forecast yet. So we'll see if we need it tomorrow. When I don't know, I have no plans for what to do tomorrow, so that will be a surprise on what video will be up next. Okay, anyways, see you guys, well, hopefully tomorrow in whatever we're gonna do. Probably something very excited. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, bye bye.